Hi everybody, welcome back to the Cloth and Paper channel. My name is Emma. I am in customer service here at Cloth and Paper, and today I am really excited to be doing the December subscription box unboxing for the planner stationery box. So I actually have a pen and planner subscription that I have for my mom. But when Ashley showed me what was in the December planner box, I decided I had to have it. So I got myself another subscription for this month. So I'm very excited to do this unboxing and show you everything that is in here because I think it's so cool and I'm so excited to use it. Okay. All right. I really like the shade of the sticker that we've been using for a little while. I think it's so pretty. I can't decide if it's kind of like purple or pink, and I really like that about it. It's so pretty. Oh. I love it because I think it's cute, but not too cute. I think it's so pretty. Okay. Alright, so we'll just start at the top. So we start with the journaling cards. I saw them packaging these behind the scenes, and I'm really excited to get a closer look at them because I thought they looked so nice. Alright. So we've got commit. To obligate or pledge oneself to carry into action deliberately. I like that. I think I might use that as like an inspiration card. Persevere. I like this word a lot. To continue in a course of action even in the face of difficulty with little or no prospect of success. It's a good word. Okay. Oh! I actually had seen this, the Emergency Fund Challenge. So this is really cool. So you have your starting balance, and then you color or mark off the block for each amount that you save. And then once you've completed the page, you have $1,000, which is really cool. I think either if you're just starting a savings account for no particular reason, or if you have something you're saving for, that's really cool to use for your first 1,000. Okay. Or I guess you could also just use it for an emergency. And then a couple other journaling cards. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That's cool. Cloth and Paper is in Richmond, Virginia, which is where Arthur Ashe is from. Okay, so I am really excited about these stickers because I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am one of those people that will buy stickers because I think they're pretty and then wait for the perfect time to use them and absolutely never use them. So what I really like about these is that they're very simple, so I feel like I won't be so afraid of using them. I also really like this color because I think it's very versatile, that it'll match with a lot of different planner styles, but also specifically Cloth and Paper is very black and white minimalist style. I think it'll look really good with that. Okay. And then of course the dashboards. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. I have no idea how to say this name. I'm gonna go with Dietrich Bonhoeffer. Okay. If anybody does know how to say that correctly, please let me know. Alright. So this is just sort of our usual style of dashboard. The transparent vellum, the frosted vellum with the black words. I think this is really beautiful because it's very simple. And it's a good quotation. Okay, so everything that you do get in this box is the standard A5 size for a 6-ring standard A5 planner because we also sent you in this box a planner to put them in. So the idea is to use it as a standalone financial planner, but of course you are free to use whatever you would like in whatever planner you would like. So we are really looking forward to see what you guys do with these notebooks and what you fill them with. Definitely let us know. We'll talk about this in just a minute. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboards. So, dashboard number 2 all about the money. I feel like 2020 is going to be a good year for everybody. So maybe this will bring you some luck with your money. So let's check it out. The color scheme is very cloth and paper, that black on white. Now this dashboard is not vellum. This is more of a heavy cardstock. It's nice and smooth to touch though. And I like the way the ink has this very slight shine as you see it in the light. I like that. Okay. Okay, so for this last dashboard, I can't pinpoint what exactly it is that I like about this dashboard. I just kind of do. I don't know. I feel like the color scheme is really good. And this is again more of a heavy cardstock divider. Alright, so before we get into the main event, the finance bundle, look how thick this is. Guys, Ashley and everyone else at Cloth and Paper worked so hard on this and we are very proud of it and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Okay, but before we do that, let's talk about the notebook again. So we sent a very similar notebook in a box earlier this year. It was black, so we went for a different color this time. I think this is a gray. It looks gray to me, but then in some lights it gives me flashes of like a dark nude color. And I kind of like that I get a mix of both when I look at it. But the strap does look very gray to me. I think it's really pretty. And then inside it is a 6-ring standard A5. I would call this like a traveler's notebook style binder. You can actually also adapt these binders into A5 traveler's notebooks. If you want a video on how to do that, let us know in the comments below and we will work on that for you. So again, the idea is to use all of these things in this binder. Of course, you don't have to. If you have another standard A5 you want to use, go for it. But we wanted you to be able to have this all together so that if you needed it to just keep it in the house, but like all in one place, you could do that. Or if you needed to take it on the go, we're really hoping that it will be really useful to you throughout the year. And of course, we do sell additional accessories that you can use in this notebook. All right. So let's get into it. The finance bundle. Ah, it's so exciting to hold. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, let's get it out of the packaging. So I know a lot of people have been wondering about this. This bundle, we are working on releasing it in the online shop. We do not have a release date for it just yet. But if we do sell it in the online shop, we will offer it in multiple sizes. But for the December box, we just have the A5 size for everybody. Okay, so let's dive into it. One of the reasons I was really excited about this box this month in particular is I'm going to really pay more attention to my finances in 2020, so I felt like this box really came at a great time. So it starts with the sort of how-to page. We've got how to use, questions to consider, and tips. So then we've got notes, and we start with the monthly budget pages. Now, you don't really have to keep the pages in this particular order. It's kind of going to be whatever really works for you. But you will have one of these pages for your budget per month. So we'll have month, your total budget, your actual, what you actually spent, and the difference. And then we've marked it out into little categories. This is going to be a hard part for me, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to stick to the plan. Okay. So then we finally get through the whole year. There we go. The expense log for the year. believe we also have one of these for every month as well. Yes, I think these pages will be very useful because for me, when I have to actually write down on a piece of paper, you know, this is what I spent and this is what it was for, this is why I need it, it kind of helps me focus on what I really want to spend my money on. So reoccurring payments, this is definitely a big one for me because I think I, like many people, have sometimes forgotten what day my subscription renews for various services and been very surprised when I looked at my bank account. So this is definitely going to help me out. Alright, so we've got a whole year of that as well. I'm really excited about how I can use this for the entire year because I think it gives me just enough structure that I'll be able to stick with it for the whole year, but it also provides me with the freedom to move it around and sort of customize it to what I'm really going to use. So then we have the gratitude line a day and the reflection for the month. I saw sneak peeks of this page actually, and I knew I really was going to be excited to have this in my planner. So we've got the months of those for the year. And then another nice thing about all these is that since they are unmarked, they're not dated January through December, you know, if you skip a couple of months, it doesn't matter. You can just pick up where you left off without wasting any paper. So then, savings challenge. This is for the year as a total, I believe. And then this is where, so this is the challenge, and this is where you log your deposits. Savings is very hard for me, so I'm very excited to use these inserts because if I'm using them, then I'm actually doing some saving. That's the goal. So then we've got tracking and a reflection for the year, and then some notes. So then we've got the resources and tools. So this is for accounts, that kind of thing. The information you need to just keep on hand. Some more notes. And then portfolio allocation watch list. This is for stocks, if that is something you do. I think this is a whole month as well. I'm going to be honest with you guys and say our whole year, I know very little about stocks, but I just think this page is so pretty that I kind of want to learn about stocks just so I can use it. And then we finish it out with the note pages. And there it is. Your year's finance inserts. Okay. Alright, so we are about to take a break for Christmas, and I'm going to be setting up my 2020 finance planner over Christmas. Hold on. That's a very satisfying sound for me. Okay. I want to put the dashboards in just to kind of see how they look. So I'm going to be setting up my planner over Christmas. So if you would like to see a video on how I set mine up, please let me know in the comments below and we will film that when we get back. Pretty. I think of the two dashboards, this one is my personal favorite because I just really like the simplicity of it and the message. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Okay. The stickers and the cards. Ah! So I really like this box. It actually makes me excited to talk about my finances, which, as my father can attest to, is not something I really enjoy doing. But I feel like if I have the right tools, I really enjoy it. So I'm excited to dive in. We will see you in the next video. Bye!